Can't you see? It's not about the snowman, mistletoe, or even a tree. It's just our special vibes are in enough love and smiles. Might not have everything together, but together we're all just fine. It's just a Merry Mitchell Christmas. It's that empty and kind of cheer. Spread the joy from near and far. When you like, subscribe and share. It's just a Merry Mitchell Christmas. 'Tis a season to be near. So grab a seat and come back, we have a time. A Merry Mitchell Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Alright guys, so we're just coming from Atlas football tournament. His team played 3 games and won 3 games. And they go on good enough, don't it? But guess what? Just a little while ago, as soon as the last game ended, they were going to the closing ceremony, and a wasp sting Atlas right on him finger. Oh gosh. Hush Bookie. It's hot. Hush, hush, hush. But him say a little ice cream. Him say a little ice cream will make it feel better. So I'm gonna carry for some ice cream. Celebrate your first football tournament wins.
But I never scored a goal.
Yeah, so you don't have to score as long as the team works, and the dream works. So that was a good vibe. Atlas wake up from what time you wake up and put 6 on the gears? From 6. The man wake me up, and at 9 o'clock the thing starting. I never so vexed yet. My guy is so previous, and when if you wake up for school, you now wake up.
Nope.
See your life stay?
There is a football match.
Anyway, mommy and the rest of guys are at home. We are going to do something exciting today. You guys went to the movies last night.
We're going to Circus today.
We're going to the Circus, Suarez Circus. That's one of the most, I'm sure me they go Suarez, same Suarez Circus when I was a youth. But
was it cool?
This time around, I don't think there are any animals and everything there. It was good.
Oh my gosh, the house has a chimney. Yeah. For what reason?
It's a I think it made it like a brick oven, so it's like an exhaust for the smoke. It's Devon also passing. Yeah.
I know where the circus is. It's
We're gonna drive past it now.
It's by the dentist. It's blue and white.
We're gonna drive past it now. You can see it.
Isn't it like blue and white?
You're definitely gonna see it later when we go. Okay.
Is there any animals? Well, like, do you think there's gonna be any animals?
There are no animals, but guess what? There's a lot of excitement. Trust me.
People jumping up in the air, I think.
Beer something. I can't wait. Actually, I'm pretty excited to go see the circus as something different. You know,
is this it?
Do every day.
Is this it?
No. What you see up on the top of that building? Look.
Oh, what is that?
What's that? You tell me.
I don't know.
Who does that?
Oh, Usain Bolt.
Yeah. Usain Bolt in that building.
For you? Told you. It's blue and white. I told you.
But it's not near a dentist. What dentist is it near?
Like, I don't really remember.
Excitement later.
Yeah, I know this place. We already passed it. I told you it was blue and white.
Yeah, you got it. You got it right. So you sure you want to get ice cream now when we're going to the circus later? Why did I even ask, right? Alright, we'll catch up when we reach home, or maybe when we're at the ice cream place.
Or at the circus.
Did good.
How did the team do?
They won all 3, yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, they did good.
You save any goals, goalie?
Huh?
You save any goal?
Yeah.
You did? He saved goals?
Yeah, he was goalie one time.
Nice, my boy.
He did whatever the team needed him to do.
You're a good team player. All right. Well, Daddy, please, we need to get him some cleats.
Yeah.
Jackson,
guess
pick up
what?
your brother.
Don't forget
Yes,
the ice
sir.
cream.
You
or-
want- I won!
Yeah, for the quality.
Yes, sir. Saved any? How many? Like 6. Wow.
For the big
That's
one,
crazy.
yeah.
Dad, I just won a game 60. Come look.
Not you.
Just come look at my goals, bro.
Bookie, you in a swimsuit?
I'm going swimming.
You going swimming?
Yes.
Okay.
Get your swimsuit.
Me forget on my swimsuit?
Yes.
Alright.
Wash it off.
Wash this off?
Yes.
Because the leaves are in it?
Wash it off. Please.
Oh, Ivy.
Please wash it.
Okay, sweetie. Thank you.
What we dinosaur?
Right there. Whoa! Alright. It's overflowing.
You gonna go in too?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Alright, Ozzy, get in.
Again.
Get in, Ozzy.
Oh, that's my dinosaur.
Shower.
Guys, who's ready for the circus? Let's do it. Come on, guys.
I hope I'm not gonna be the one
Come,
finding
Jax, come
there.
on for your Candy Crush.
Oh, there.
You see it?
Yeah. I already saw it. You know, I really expected it to be red. Why would it be red? All circuses are red. Well, a lot of them are red. I've never seen a blue one.
Did you expect it to be small?
No, obviously not.
Okay, good.
We're on the way to the circus, on the way to the circus, on the way to the circus, where we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some fun.
Ew.
We're gonna have some fun.
Ew.
On the way to the circus, and Grandma and Auntie Angela are going to be meeting us there. Hopefully they are on their way or
Oh my
they're
gosh,
already.
this traffic bad.
We go from early because we hear so traffic get bad.
was
Maybe it
here.
could. Oh, Jesus.
Or.
Maybe we can. That was a big hole. Maybe we can get some popcorn and stuff.
We're
What do you
gonna be
think?
here for a while.
We can
Right,
get
Daddy?
some popcorn.
Wait, how long are we gonna be here for?
Cotton candy.
Until when, Dad?
Until about 7.
Oh, yes. Dad, look, my thingaling works.
Yeah,
tall,
get
you know.
tall. Yeah, get tall.
Because the sun is setting, bro.
Yeah, and it's
Sun
tall.
is shining. Weather is sweet. Make you want
Where is the
to
entrance again?
right here.
Oh, it's right there.
To the rescue.
Where the other car is?
And you stop doing that is gross.
circus. Me and the crowd, one piece of sitting.
And they were fighting.
One piece of beer thing
Show
standing.
me a video right now.
Mom,
Right now.
when Daddy got called up, I said, Atlas, give me the phone.
Jesus,
You tape it. Tape everything
Let
the
me
man
see,
said.
right?
Tape
It's
it.
Like 5 more minutes.